All right. In the morning, afternoon, and evening, everybody. I hope y'all are having a good trading day. I did take the quick win at open on Tesla. It still looks great. If you want to hold for that bigger profit, don't let me stop you. But I can't say no to a quick 100% return at open. So I locked that in, especially with it being today's expiration. Um, as you can see over here on the daily chart, Tesla did a good job. I'm trying to zoom in, guys. Sorry. Things are going a little slow this morning. But you can see here it had a nice pullback. Oop, too zoomed in. Nice pullback into the 10 SMA yesterday as support. Everything about the chart is still bullish. And of course, for those of you who have been in the small lots room, we know that Tesla has a good probability of moving higher from a Thursday into a Friday. So that is exactly why we took the trade setup. I did keep it with this week's expiration to make a bigger bang for my buck on the risk versus reward. And that seems to have worked out very nicely. So cannot complain. So I hope y'all were able to take the quick win. And if you did do multiple contracts, if you have a different risk size than I do, definitely consider leaving on a runner as of right now. Just make sure you are out of this trade before market close to avoid any risk around assignment. And for those of you that are following along specifically with the $500 challenge, I'll continue to look for a new setup. We have going into next week as the end of the month for September. So we have a few more trading days left, and we'll see if we can't get a few more winners out of this month. Just a reminder for Caravana, that will likely expire worthless unless Caravana has a huge move. Unfortunately, that one could just not get going for us. This and Walmart are actually our only two winners in the challenge this month. Everything else has been a nice profit. And it's not to say I don't like Caravana. I actually think the chart setup still looks really great. It's just unfortunately we were looking for it to start moving here. It got stuck at a price resistance and we've pulled back into support. If anything, this might create a better entry for us to try and go long. So I might take a look at this. We may do it in the challenge account again. We might just do it in the small lots room. But I'll keep you guys posted on that. And as I said, we'll be searching for a few more setups overall to end out the month in the challenge account. So looking good there. For those of you in the small lots room following along with the 15-minute trade, got close, started to get a little close, but we haven't tagged to the low yet. Very wide range this morning. Nice bounce up. That's actually working beautiful for the broken wing butterfly on SPX that we priced out yesterday. So love seeing that. Cannot complain. Let me pull up the 15-minute setup and we will start to get these notes edited and ready to go. So the high we keep pressing against, so let's put in the low information. The low today is 66.6750. So our trigger to go short will be 66.67. Our range is 22.75, though Lord knows that continues to adjust itself higher. Yeah, great move on Tesla. I should have held for my original profit target. I was looking for $1, but then when I saw it this morning at the quick 100, like I said, can't say no to that. For those of you over on Twitch, I'll leave the information up for you guys to take a look at a little bit longer. There's the closing order you can see on Thinkorswim. But I will mute myself, take myself off camera while I get some work done over in the small lots room. And hopefully I'll be back on with y'all later today to look for a new trade idea through the weekend in the challenge account. So I'll keep y'all posted. But as always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to y'all later today. Bye.